I spent less than 5 minutes today to build a genuinely useful agent that saves me probably 10 to 15 minutes every day. So I sent the prompt in and I'm just doing the whole task once again. But as it's going through its planning, I'm going to go back and talk about what this agent is actually doing. So here it's proceeding with the plan and actually building the agent. But this is our natural language agent building platform where this was the task that I wanted it to do. I want to just track what's happening in AI agent related subreddits. So first, this agent is going to identify which subreddits to look at, reads conversations from the last few days, and gives me a summary in a new Notion page with the Reddit URLs. I want it to be in the marketing section of our Notion team space, and I need a link to the Notion page that gets created. I'm going to run this use case basically every day, so I don't need to search this myself every morning. The workflow plan is agent node 1, it identifies AI agent subreddits, then it reads posts from those subreddits, then it analyzes conversations and creates a structured summary, and then finally creates a new Notion page in the marketing section with a summary and links. This is great if it works. So it's building, and I'll show you what the output looks like. But the reason why I did this is because I do this task every morning. This morning I didn't have the time because last night was a long night. This morning I woke up with a lot of email and Slack backlog and lots of calls. So I decided to just automate this work away. And this workflow got built, and I'm going to run this and we'll talk about what it actually does. So step 1 is identify subreddits. So this is a prompt node on GPT-5 Mini. Vellum created this prompt by itself. It identifies 3 to 5 highly subreddits and gets a JSON output so we can do further analysis downstream. So we got 5 different subreddits, which are all relevant and good. And if I wanted, I can always change the prompt here directly, but this gave me a great running start. Next one is search Reddit, which is an agent node that has access to tools from Reddit. So our natural language based agent builder decided which tools to use, search across subreddits and retrieve post comments. And the prompt here is it's just searching each subreddit for posts from the last 3 days and gathering the data with the JSON summary so we can use it to actually post it in Notion. So this is now performing its search, which takes a bit of time because there's a lot of Reddit threads to look through. And this information will go into the next node, which is our analyze content node. So let's see what analyze content does. Analyze content is a GPT-5 Mini prompt, which is just creating an executive summary, top discussion, emerging trends, community sentiment, and also including the Reddit URLs as requested. Again, this prompt was created automatically. I didn't have to write any of these prompts. And finally, the last node in this workflow as requested is create a Notion page. In create Notion page, I have 2 tools on this node. One is create page and add page content. And this is again a GPT-5 Mini prompt where it's been given the task to be a Notion automation assistant and the right format on how to create Notion posts. So now this is going to create this page for me and give me a link to go to that page. All right, the Notion link is here. There was a small bug that I saw, which we fixed using our natural language based agent builder, but we're back. We have the Notion page and I'm going to look at this. I have an AI monitor in the marketing section, which is what I requested. It's all the way at the bottom. And this has an executive summary, top discussions, emerging trends, notable mentions, actionable insights, concise takeaway with links to specific Reddit threads. This is incredible. I'm going to use this daily, and this will save me 10 to 15 minutes per day. Love it.